children, let's start the maths activity. For this, you have to take an A4 size paper or any paper. You can take scrapbook or you can take a piece of chart paper, and with the help of sketch pen or marker, just write 1 to 100 in this way. If you'll start like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, in this way, you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then from here again start 11 until 20, then 21 up to 30. In this way you have to write, or you can make line and frame it in a boxes. So just I'll show you. In this way you have to prepare this number sheet, that is from 1 to 100. A piece of any color paper, or try to take some different paper which is different from your number sheet. Now next what you have to do, just make it two fold here equally like this. First fold, and from here second fold. Okay, now open it and just fold it again like this. Just now open it. Now what you have to do, these are the two fold, just make a cut till here in this way. Okay, now then what you have, now just write at the top number comes. Okay, number comes, and here you have to write before, between and after. So I am writing here before and here after and here in between. So you can see, just I have already made like this. You can see it's very easy to make a fold. And when you write before, here just at the top you write -1, and after at the top you have to write +1. So now let's play how to play this quiz, this number castle. Okay, so suppose I have just placed it here, wherever you want. Okay, I'll just place it here, and now I'll open it. So this number is 46. So what number comes after? That means you have to add 1. So it's become 47. Okay, and if you have to find out which number comes before 46, so you have to subtract 1 and then you will find 45. Next, move on. Suppose I'll move it here. Okay, next, I know the number is 74 and I just want, and here the number is 72, and I just want which numbers come in between. So in between 72 and 74 it's come 73. So you can do in this way. Let's move on. Yes, so again I'll show you. If the number is 78, so which number comes before? That is 77, and which numbers come after? That is 79. So in this way you can play. For the castle, just take this paper, color paper. The size will be same with the number names paper. Okay, and then you have to make castle like this. In this way, children. Now you have to take the cutout. So after cutting, your castle will look like this, and now you have to paste it with the number names plate. So finally, now your number castle is ready. So in this way you can play and enjoy this activity. Hope you have enjoyed, children. Goodbye. Good luck.